my blood and got my name, but if he did, I'd feel the same. I wasn't there for his first steps, but I ain't missed a ball game yet, and that ain't ever gonna change. I could never walk away. Yeah, he's my son, and that's my choice. He ain't my bud, he's my boy. Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in. This is how to play My Boy by Elvie Shane. So please hit like and subscribe. Let me know if you guys have any other questions or other songs you want to learn in the comment section. Yeah, I'll be happy to get to them as quickly as I can. So let's get into it. This song is in standard tuning, doesn't have a capo at all. You're only going to use 4 chords for it. All right, they're not always in the same order, so I'm going to walk you through where you play them and how to play the strumming pattern and everything. Like I said, please hit like and subscribe. All right, so the chords you're going to use for this song, and they're in this order at times, but not always in this order. You're going to use A. Okay, you're also going to use E. All right, also going to use D. And then you're going to use F sharp minor as well. So this is basically on this one, you're just going to do a power chord. You are supposed to bar from the 2nd fret on the big E string all the way across, and then put your ring finger goes on the 4th fret on the A string, and your pinky goes on the 4th fret on the D string, like that. Okay, my middle finger's not doing anything. Okay, so when you bar all the way across, that's what it sounds like. If you can't bar all the way across though, it kind of like mutes the bottom strings. That's fine if you can't bar all the way across. Just try it at least, because you'll at least mute the bottom strings. Okay. So let's do this. So the way that you're gonna start the song is you're gonna start with the way that you play the chorus actually. So you're gonna start with F sharp minor, and then you're gonna do E, then A, D, F sharp minor, E, A, D. Okay? That's what I would do, all right? Now the way that so that's the chord progression, is F sharp minor, E, A, D. I would do that twice with no lyrics. And then when you start to get to the lyrics, you're gonna play it differently. But before I need to do that, I need to show you how you strum that part. So you're gonna do down, down, up, up. So you do down, down, up, up, down, up, 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 down, down, up, down, up. Okay, so it's just that down, down, up, down, up. Okay, so when you get to now for the verse, for the first verse, I would actually you're gonna do a different chord progression and a different strumming pattern. I would just do, it's very soft, so I would just do single strums. Can you do A on he ain't got my smile, that don't bother me a bit. Okay, so you start with A on he ain't got, okay, so you do A on he ain't got my smile. Smile is where you do E, smile, that don't bother. Okay, then, so smile is E and bother is D. Bother me a bit. Okay, and on bit you do F sharp minor, bit. He's got somebody, okay, so you do again A on he. He's got somebody else's, and else's is E, else's eyes I'm seeing. So seeing is D, and but you do D, E, A here. Seeing myself in. Okay, so you do seeing is D, seeing myself is E, myself in is A, in. And you do A again. I'm holding on to every, then every is E, so that's easy to remember. Every moment God knows, knows is D, knows I've missed a few. Okay, so few is F sharp minor, few. And you do A right before the day we met, I knew, then knew is E, knew I had some. Catching is D, catching, up is E, up to do is A. All right, so it's just going to be catching up to do, and you're just doing single strums there. You could do that for the second verse as well, but you certainly don't have to. All right, so when you go to the chorus, you're going to play it like I said, but you're going to remember. So you're going to go right into it. You're going to do, he ain't my blood. Okay, so he is F sharp minor. He ain't my blood. Blood is E. but ain't got my name. Name is A, name, but if he did as D, did I feel the same? Same as F sharp minor, same. I wasn't there. There's E, there for his first steps. Steps is A, steps, but I ain't missed. Missed is D, missed a ball game yet. So yet is F sharp minor, yet. And that ain't ever, ever is E, so easy to remember, ever gonna change. Then you do A right after change. I could never, never is D, never walk away. Yeah, and then on yeah you do F sharp minor. Yeah, he's my son. Son is E, son, that's my choice. Choice is A, choice, he ain't my blood. Blood is D, blood, but he's mine. So after my, you're gonna do F sharp minor. He's my boy. So my boy, you're gonna do E, boy. A, D, okay? Now for the second verse, when you're playing it, you can either do what we did in the first verse. You can do A, E, D, F sharp minor. Okay, you're going to play it the same chord progression, but you can either do the single strums or you can do the same strumming as you were doing for the chorus. All right, so it hit me like a train the first time you called me dad. So you just do it like that. So you can do the down, down, up, down, up for that one, but you're still going to want to play it like soft for that. You're not going to play it as loud as the chorus. Okay, then you play the next chorus, and then the bridge, you're just going to do F sharp minor, E, A, D. So you'll do and you're just going to repeat that. So you're going to do F sharp minor, E, A, D, and you're just going to do that. Actually, I think you only do it one time. So you do F sharp minor on he's Saturday morning cartoons. And you do every time you do he's in this part in the bridge is where you play the chord. So you do he's hey, that's where the second part is with an E. He's hey, can I sleep in your room? And then you do A on he's bigger than the plans I had. He's making, so I guess the one part where you don't play it on the he's, you play it on making, is he's making me a better man. He's making me a better man. All right, then you go into that last chorus. So that's how you play the song. Let me know if you guys have any questions or anything. Thanks for watching. It's been fun. See you next time.